Today is our last chance to look at apartments in Da Nang or to decide if we're going to stay put.
We're looking at several different apartments today.
Oh wow. It's our final search in the quest for the perfect apartment. Let's go. So it's like you get decorated. Oh, look, a nightstand. Well, a table, but it'd be like a nightstand on both sides. And closet. Oh, 2 drawers for socks and stuff. I love the ones that have the drawers. I love the wallpaper and the furniture. So 1 bedroom, dining room. Oh, it has the art. I like the picture. Oh, you have a view of the river. Oh, look, a strawberry. A sofa with a like a built-in area. You have a view of the river and the Suntra Mountains. You're not far. So we're on still the beach side of the,
Yeah.
Okay. You said this one's the master? Oh yeah. Oh, the bed is a little smaller, huh? But you get 2 nightstands, so that's great. Yeah. And a view from the bed. That's pretty. And let's see, closet. This side would be a little hard to get into. Vanity. There's a lot more storage and like what you call it to it. Like all these accents and things give it more character. Oh, it has a bowl sink. The other one had a rain shower, right? But it has a nice wash bowl and a glassed-in shower. It's not bad for your arm, like the way that they've made it, the layout. I don't know, Hiyori might be my nice marble. My favorites out of the 2. This is a little bit smaller than the other ones. They had such big refrigerators, didn't they? Oh, it has an oven though. That's cool. And a 2-burner cooktop. What's this? Oh, nice. You have a whole washing area, huh?
That's great.
Yeah. So you can hang your laundry up here. That's very cool. And you can put your trash out here. Drawers. This looks like the stuff at our, oh, it has the one where you pull out the, that's cool. Whoa. Look, it comes all the way down for short people like me. Another shower, bathroom, so that's 2 bed, 2 bath with a view of the river. This
one is 90?
It's 750 with a fee and everything. And this one has a pool?
Yeah, on the ground floor.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's no balcony. This is kind of a cool thing here though. Lots of natural light. Big comfy sofa. This is, the view this way is good because you don't really see this building as much. Oh, you can see the bridges and the Ferris wheel this way. And this way you can see the Dragon Bridge. You could see the fire and everything, but you wouldn't be able to see the
head.
Yeah. Oh look, this is a cool table, a round table. That's kind of fun, huh? They have these huge washing machines. There's a lot of space. So there are 3 AC units on this one, and then you hang your clothes up there. Nice, okay.
So it's
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Don't touch it. It has a shower with the closed-in glass again. This one's bigger than the last one downstairs. I like these little sinks. And look, you get a window. You get a fresh light, natural light in here. I like the built-in. You don't get a nightstand, but you each get a cubby. It's okay. It's like foam, at least. The other one was so new and comfy. And this one is a big closet. This is cool. So this is auto open windows and stuff. And you can open the window still for air. There's just no balcony here. So this one's like a skinnier, longer apartment. I like the kitchens. Big fridge. Oh, so this one has like a window out to the laundry. So you could get some natural light. But this would be like your guest bedroom. The other one's the master suite. So this one doesn't have this one.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is one. This is managed by the company
Ah, okay.
because the first one is by the owner,
Ah,
but
okay.
this one is the developer company.
Okay. And like there's a shoe area here, like so you have like an entryway. Put your shoes. We don't have. We just put our shoes by the door. Yeah, they're all so different, huh? Even like the
Yeah.
stuff. Mm.
So if you like, we can go to the rooftop over there.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, you can see around the whole thing. So look, it starts there and then go all the way to the Lady Buddha. Oh wow. Oh, very pretty. Look at the countertops and everything. And it's got all this lighting for the dishes. That's very cool. Lots of drawers. It's like a very modern, like I feel like I'm in New York or somewhere. Table looks. Oh, it has a leaf. Wow, that's cool. So this is the bathroom. No, look, it looks like a what you call it? Oh, and this is the laundry room, washing machine, and fully enclosed shower with a rain shower. I like that one. It has a lot of like accent, like unique accents about everything, like the basin wash and textured wall. I like that. A nice size fridge. Look at all the storage. There's so much storage everywhere. It's the living room, bedroom. Oh, this is such a cute little chair. It's got a cute little vanity, and I love this chair. It looks like it does like Wi-Fi or charging or however that works. This is against here though.
Yeah.
Huge closet. Oh, one size is short. Hey, you can have your own chair. Oh, and then you can look out the view. Oh, wow. This would be cool in the cool months when you can come out and sit out here. So all this is just yours? Someone's doing the golf. You could actually have people over and like host a little function out here or something, you know? I like the rocks and the pebbles. Someone practices golf out here. Fake? Okay. Oh, I like this one more. But you just would slide this over. There's plenty of space there though. And then you have a view out of here, huh? This is the closet. Oh, there's the bathroom. So this is the master. Because here's your bathroom. Fully enclosed glass shower. Little storage there. But yeah, 2 toilets, 2 showers. I like all the little extras around. And that awesome patio garden area is very cool. I don't know. I love this kitchen. This one might be my favorite. I think this one's my favorite.
Yes.
He likes Hiyori more.
So now that we've looked at several different apartments, let's go over some of our favorite things about each one.
So for me, the view at Tankei was amazing. I absolutely love that. And all the cool furnishings.
In my opinion, the Sydney Hotel had custom lighting and custom bathrooms that I thought were great.
And the Gold Villa was really great for location, right near the beach. The apartments were really spacious.
The Suntride apartments to me had the best prices. They weren't as big as some of the other apartments, but the prices were good.
Yeah, and they're near a lot of our favorite foods and our favorite neighborhood. Then some of the most recent ones that we saw, for example, in this video, the Monarchy had some of my favorite kitchens with the huge refrigerators. Some had ovens, just amazing.
The layouts in Hodori were absolutely stunning. Japanese layouts. Some of the toilets were separate than some of the shower rooms for the guests, which was great. All in all, we saw a lot of great apartments that we liked something about each and every one of them. But now it's time for our decision.
Even though we found several apartments that we really like, and we are really glad that we know that those options are out there, some of the buildings required 3 months payment in advance as well as a 1 month deposit. So for right now, we're just gonna stay put. We're gonna stay here in our cute apartment with our cute view, no balcony. We do luckily have our enclosed shower, But for now, we think that might be the best thing for us.
We hope that you guys got something out of looking at all these different apartments, so that if you already live here in Da Nang and you want to move, or if you're coming to Da Nang soon, you know what to look out for.
One thing I think we did learn is that there is no perfect apartment. So every apartment has its pluses and its minuses, whether it's a great view and then a small kitchen, or a fantastic price, and then the bed is against the wall. It was good to see that no apartment is absolutely perfect, at least not anywhere in our price range. So we're just gonna take a pause for the holidays since we haven't found that perfect apartment, and we're just gonna enjoy Christmas and New Year's. We have a friend coming to visit, so we're gonna show her around Da Nang and all the awesome things there are to do here. And we're just gonna kind of relax for a couple of weeks before we continue the hunt again.
Thank you for coming on this adventure with us. It was great to look at all these different apartments and see all of our different options. If you have any questions about apartment hunting, please let us know in the comments. And again, if you're new around here, I'm Steven.
And I'm Elaine.
Wishing you safe
And enjoyable adventures. Goodbye.
Be free.